This is Tim here from Your Six Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the Google Assistant on your Android phone. So just swipe down from the top right, and there's a couple different ways that we can do this. But when we swipe on down, we want to go to Google. So you might see it at the top here, depending on which version of phone you have, whether it's Google Pixel, Motorola, but Samsung is down here a little bit further. Then we go to All Services, tap this, and then we can scroll on down once again. So when we scroll on down now, there will be an option for Google Assistant. So my phone's a little bit slow, but look for the option for Google Assistant. Search Assistant and Voice, turn this on. And we have to decide what one we want. So there's a Google Assistant right here. Most of the time I would probably just prefer Gemini. So you can decide, you can go to either option. Just go to Google Gemini, Google Assistant or Google Gemini. It's getting really confusing. But we can just go to this and we can set this up. So a lot of times I just set it up with Talk to Gemini hands-free. Then you can go to Hey Google right here. Try not to say that, otherwise it's going to pop up on all your phones. So just enable it. Manage your voice and set up your voice, and you have to read like 5 or 6 different sentences, and it should set that up. So you get the voice match. Now I should be able to say just Hey Google, and Gemini should open up. Not sure why it's not. My phone is just super slow right now. But just go ahead and look at that as an option. Otherwise, this should turn on if you hold down the power button now. I think I have it set to something else. There we go. So, easy to use. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.